Okay, you guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how quickly you can get a Zoom meeting set up and how to join a Zoom meeting if you never joined a meeting before. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to join a meeting. So usually when someone creates a meeting, this is how easy they do it. They just have the Zoom app installed on their machine. They open up new meeting and they do participants and then do invite. And they usually can type in their email here using their third-party client, but in this instance, we're just going to copy invitation and then open up Notepad, and then I'll paste that right there for you. So then they would send this in an email saying, hey, here's my Zoom meeting, go ahead and join it, it's live now, or they would schedule it. So if you've never used a meeting before and you get this and you're like, well, what the hell do I do with this? Usually you would just, copy that link and click it, and it would take you to Zoom and make you download the Zoom app. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So if you know you have a Zoom meeting coming up and you want to get ready, you can do this. So you can simply go to Zoom, hit join meeting, and then you can type in that meeting ID, which is 717-1388-2580. And then it's going to ask you for this password, and it actually already detects that you don't have the software installed, so you actually want to install the Zoom client to have the best experience while you're in Zoom. So you hit download client, and let's run this, and it's going to ask us for that Zoom meeting information again. Let's wait for this to install, and you can see I'm running on a virtual machine here. That's why you see the Zoom already running over here, and then over here it's not, because we're actually in a virtual machine. So now it's asking us for that password. So we can just type in that password, R3N74V, and then hit join meeting. Now you can see I'm in the meeting because I haven't started the meeting or really haven't emitted you into the meeting. So we can go ahead and emit. And that's if I'm hosting the meeting. If you're not hosting the meeting, then you gotta wait for them to do that for you. So don't worry about that. All right. And now we are in the meeting, as you can see. Now let's say you're in the meeting and you're like, crap, that's not my name. Why does it say owner? It just pulls that from the username on the computer. So to change that, we just go to more and hit rename. And then we can type in, our full name here. And then if you want to save it for future meetings, you just make sure that's checked and hit OK. And you can see now it's updated that. And then on the host side, you can see it's updated pretty quick. So it happens really instantly. So while you're in that Zoom meeting, you can hit the up arrow here and go to audio settings, and just make sure your speakers and your microphone are on the right input. The same thing with the video, make sure your camera's selected, and I would enable that HD. Just a couple changes that you should do before you join the while you're in the meeting, to make sure everything's set up correctly so you can hear them, they can hear you. And then of course you will want to mute yourself and start your video if you want to do that, or share your screen, whatever you're trying to accomplish in that Zoom meeting. Now to go ahead and leave meeting. Now if you wanted to host your own meeting, then what you would need to do is sign in and create yourself an account. So if you don't have an account, you can set up a free account. Once you log in, then you can actually do that same thing over here, where you can do new meeting and then send that meeting invite to that person. Or if you want to schedule a meeting for the next day or whatever, you can do that as well and send them the link earlier. But you want to have an account so you can make those, so you can host a meeting yourself if you wanted to. Or if all you do is join people's meetings, then you don't need to. And you just always open the Zoom app here. So now that the Zoom app is installed, you just go to search, type in Zoom, and hit join a meeting. And then you can just type in the meeting link, and you can see that our name has changed right here. So you would just type in that meeting link and hit join. And it's as simple as that. And here's turn off my video. I would suggest doing that while you are joining. So while you're in the waiting room, wait to be admitted, you don't all of a sudden your camera turns on, you weren't ready for that. So nothing embarrassing happens. I would just have my video feed turned off while joining, and then turn it on once you know the other person's there and you're ready to start the meeting. There you guys have it. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.